Here we have a sample references page. Before we look at the specific citations, let's discuss the general formatting. If you are using any outside information within a report, you must include a reference page at the end of the document. The references should begin on a new page, or in other words, don't begin the references on the same page as the conclusion or recommendation of your report. The page should start with the word references. After the word references, we will have a list of sources that were used within the report. If you use information from a source within your paper, whether this is a direct quote or a paraphrase, you must, I repeat, you must have a citation for that source within your references page. Also, your references page should only contain sources that have been used within your report. If you used a quotation, paraphrase, or idea from a source within your report, include a citation for that source within the references page. If you did not use a source within the report, that source should not be cited within the references page. Please note that the sources are single-spaced within the references page, and that there is a double space between each source. This helps to differentiate one source from the next. Each source is also differentiated by the use of hanging indents. As you can see here, the first line of each citation is left aligned, while the subsequent lines of the citation are indented. Now,